What's up, everybody? Today we're going to be doing some thoracic spine mobility. So if you got a tight upper back or tight shoulder blades, then you might want to try out some of these mobility exercises. Kicking this off today, we're going to be doing the thread the needle T-spine rotation. So you're going to be in a quadruped position, so knees on the ground and hands on the ground, where you're going to lift one arm up, look at your fingertips the whole time, and then slowly glide that arm across the floor. As you do this, bring your head down towards the ground and get that nice stretch in the lats. Our next exercise will not just include thoracic spine mobility, but will include hip mobility as well. This exercise is a Spider-Man T-spine rotation. Now, to start off, you'll be in a high plank position where you'll bring one foot out to the same side hand, where you'll remove that same side hand from the ground and then press your elbow to the heel. Place that hand back down on the ground where you'll then open up the opposite side and perform a T-spine rotation. Ensure that you press your elbow to your heel for around 1 to 2 seconds to get that nice stretch in the adductors. Our final exercise is a squat, iso, and T-spine rotation. We'll sink down into a deep squat where we'll then place one fist on the ground and then open up the opposite side. We'll perform around 6 to 8 repetitions per side before switching to the other side. You can perform this all in one go, or you can stand up and sink back into the deep squat to switch to the other side. Let me know if y'all have any questions on these exercises, and y'all take care.